Alright, what is good, YouTube? You already know, it's your boy Rockin' Ryno. Welcome back to another video where today we're going to be making some homemade apple cobbler and we're going to be making some homemade apple filling, and oh my gosh, it is going to be amazing. And we're out here in eastern Idaho still, okay? I'm loving it out here. I'm loving spending it in my papa's cabin. But look at this. Look at this beautiful area. This is absolutely beautiful. I just saw a fish jump over there. I love it out here. It's beautiful. First off, take your 12 freshly rinsed apples. We use Granny Smith, but you can use any one you like. Peel and slice each apple into 8 wedges like so. After the apples have been halved, go ahead and halve each half again, and then halve each half of a half again. Man, I said halve a lot. You can pre-core these tart boys ahead of time, but I did not have a corer, so I had to cut them out after they were wedged. Then you're going to want to take 6 tablespoons of butter and melt that buttery goodness along with 3 teaspoons of cinnamon over a medium heat in a large saucepan. Then chase that slippery boy around the pan and mix well with cinnamon. And stirring, and stirring, and stirring, and stirring, and stirring, and stirring. Toss that fruit of the new into the saucepan, coating them all with that buttery, spicy sauce. Yum, yum. Oh, where'd you come from? Fun fact, apples that are sliced can regenerate. Pour in 9 tablespoons of water and 1 cup of sugar. Mix the sugar and water all together with the cinnamon and apples, and then cover and cook, stirring occasionally until very slightly tender. In the animal kingdom, rhinos are known for their very large whisks. And here today to assist me is the world's largest whisk. Pretty big whisk, bro. Combine 4 tablespoons of cornstarch with 6 tablespoons of water in a separate bowl. Then whisk together until there are no more chunks left and everything is evenly incorporated. This is going to be our thickener. Add to the slightly softened apple mixture a little at a time and then continue simmering. Once the al dente apples have reached desired thickness and they look all ooey gooey and yummy, that means we are officially done with the filling. Look at how delicious that is. Then for easy cleanup, go ahead and line your Dutch oven with a foil wrap. Push down in the oven and make that cleanup next to nothing. This might be a risky move, but we're going to use this bad boy to help finish the job. Take 2 cups of sugar and add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla to it. And mix that all together until the ingredients are evenly incorporated. Take your 2 cups of sugar, 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Pour each of these ingredients into a larger mixing bowl one at a time. Add 2 pieces of coal, a carrot, and a hat, and you have yourself a snowman. Just kidding, but mix those ingredients together. Add your apple filling to your Dutch oven and spread evenly across the bottom of your oven. And make sure you scrape all the sticky boys out of the pot into the oven. Top your apples with the cake mix and make sure that you evenly distribute the cake mix throughout the apples and not just to dump it all on one place. And then you're going to want to use your fork to spread the cake mix throughout the apples and cover all dem apples. Then you're going to want to take 1 stick of thinly sliced butter and place those slabs of cold butter over the cake mix. Cover and place 10 coals around the outer edge of the lid and 12 coals underneath the Dutch oven. Combine 1/3 cup of sugar with 1 tablespoon of cinnamon and mix that all together, evenly incorporating it in with a fork. Sprinkle your cinnamon sugar evenly across the top of your crust. Continue to bake until it turns brown. Pro tip: once the crust is beginning to brown, take the back of your wooden spoon and poke a few randomly placed holes in the crust, allowing the filling to bubble through. YouTube, this is looking fire, okay? It looks so good with this cinnamon sugar crust kind of thing on the outside. That cake mixture on the top is really good, and this ice cream, I bet is going to be really good with it. But if you don't have access to ice cream and you're camping or something, cream, if you just get like cream and like pour it over the top, that would also be really good. But let me get in with a bite here. Whoa. That's really good. The crust is crispy, but the center is kind of like it's fluffy and gooey at the same time. And then the cinnamon sugar has a nice flavor on the outside. And it's nice and warm too. Mom, come in and try this.
All right. I've been looking forward to this all day. That is delicious. The cake is an interesting touch. I've never had it like this before, and it's my favorite now.
I bet it's good.
I get to finish it, right?
Thank you guys so much for watching my apple cobbler video. It was delicious. I hope you guys try it at your home, at your camping. It's so good, okay? It is amazing. Thank you for watching. Have a good rest of your day. Like and subscribe.